In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on or off your flashlight on Android phone. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the best way to control your flashlight is by remapping the double press action of your side button. This allows you to toggle the light instantly even when your screen is off. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up your settings application, scroll down, and towards the bottom, you're going to find an option called advanced features, so go ahead and click on that. Then you should see an option that says side button or side key. So go ahead and click on that and then ensure that double press is turned on. Now, once it's turned on, by default, it might be camera. All you want to do is switch it to torch or flashlight, depending on where you're from. And then all you got to do is double press the side button and the LED will illuminate immediately. And to turn it off, just double press the side button again. And then that's it. You'll literally be good to go. And of course, you can also switch it to anything else that you see on this menu as well. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.